Today, I'm doing a review on the cheapest keyboard on Amazon. The good, the bad, and my overall opinion coming right up. Let's get it. Aloha gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alex, and if you're interested in growing your production and mixing skills, then you're on the right channel. But make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because I'm doing 3 videos a week and I don't want you to miss anything. If you're like me, you have a sickness, a gear acquisition sickness, where you can't stop thinking about the next piece of gear that you need. Hey babe, should I get this?
I thought you were getting the Twinfinity mic free.
Oh yeah.
The AKM320 by Midi Plus is a 32-key MIDI controller with velocity-sensitive keys, volume glider, pitch and mod wheels, as well as octave and transposition up and down buttons.
Let's break down some of the key features. Straight out of the box, it's plug and play. It comes with a USB cable, so you don't need to install a driver. Just plug it in and enjoy playing your music. It's made of plastic, but it feels really sturdy, especially the pitch and the mod wheels, and even the octave buttons and transposition buttons. Pretty happy with that. Speaking of octave and transposition buttons, you probably know what the octave button is, but in case you don't, it shifts the keys up in octave up or down. So for example, if I want to play a higher octave, press up, and same for the lower octave. This comes in handy since you only have the 32 keys. The transposition buttons will change the MIDI notes in your DAW on the fly. So for example, if I was playing in C major and I wanted to play in D major, I would press the plus sign. You get the idea. It comes with an input for sustain pedal. It doesn't come with a sustain pedal, but that's a pretty cool feature to expand your playability. The wheels give you a very tactile sense of playing. A lot of these smaller micro keyboards come with buttons for the pitch and the modulation, but this is one of the better features on this keyboard. It's lightweight and portable and has a small footprint. This is my main keyboard that I bring with me on tour, writing sessions, and when I'm live looping, just about anywhere. 5 more minutes and I'll be right out. It's only 40 bucks. If you want to expand your setup, this is great. Keys are pretty small, so if you're trying to play an extended chording, it's going to be tough because of the compact sides. So it's better for melodies or just getting ideas down. Anything more complex, you may need more keys. So what do I think? I'm glad you asked. I love this thing. I used it to expand my looping setup so I can just switch between 2 pianos, and it fits right into my backpack so I take this thing with me anywhere, on the plane, on the van, literally anywhere. The velocity of the keys can't be changed, so if you're looking for a more precise keyboard, this may not be for you, but the basic playability of this thing makes it perfect for my needs. I would recommend this to anyone. If you guys found this video helpful, you know what to do. Drop a like and make sure you subscribe. Also, I just finished a really cool video on 808 glides, so if that interests you, I'm gonna leave that right here. And if you guys are interested in collaborations like I am, hit me up on Instagram at AlohaAlex and let's link up. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.